more than half of all teenagers are already using AI chatbots for homework. Almost half use them just for fun, and some for things their parents and teachers have absolutely no idea about. Meet your invisible sidekick. Today, we pull back the curtain and see what it's really capable of. Teenagers are now at the forefront of AI adoption, using chatbots like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Character.AI for just about everything. Information search, 57%. Schoolwork, 54%. Entertainment, 47%. Summarizing articles or videos, around 40%. Some use it for news, some for casual conversation, and about 1 in 8 for emotional support or advice. So, which sidekick are we dealing with? Let's meet them all.
Okay, let's start with homework. Of course you do.
Your AI sidekick is already sitting next to you. You just might not have introduced yourself yet.
Hello there!
Teens are using it to research topics, solve maths problems, and polish their writing. In fact, 48% use AI for research, 43% for maths, and 35% to edit their work. The sidekick doesn't just give you answers. Ask it to explain step by step, and suddenly the thing that made 0 sense actually clicks. But here's where it gets complicated. About 1 in 10 teens admits to letting AI do all or most of their homework. So the question isn't whether your sidekick is powerful, it's whether you're using it to learn or just to get it done. Your sidekick isn't just good at school stuff. Give it a spark of an idea and watch what happens.
Look at this, you're perfect.
Teens are using AI to brainstorm stories, generate meme captions, write song lyrics, and even build simple games from scratch. But here's the thing nobody tells you. The AI doesn't have your taste. It doesn't know what makes you laugh, what moves you, or what sounds like you. It throws some ideas at the wall. You're the one who knows which one to keep. The sidekick brings the raw material. You bring the vision. That's not cheating. That's how professional creators actually work. Your sidekick can do more than homework and creative projects. Some teens are using it for something a little more personal. Advice on friendships, help figuring out what to wear, even just someone to talk to when things feel heavy. About 1 in 8 teenagers has turned to AI for emotional support. And it's easy to understand why. It's always available, it never judges, and it never tells anyone what you said. But there's something important your sidekick can't do. It doesn't actually know you. It can't read the room. It has no memory of last Tuesday when everything went wrong. It's a sounding board, a thinking tool. Not your parent, not a therapist, not your best friend. And knowing the difference, that's not a limitation. That's wisdom. Your sidekick is powerful. But it's not perfect. Not even close. AI can confidently give you an answer that sounds completely right and is completely wrong. We call that a hallucination, and it happens more than you'd think. Sound familiar? We did a whole video on this, AI hallucinations, why they happen, and how to spot them. Link in the description. Worth watching before you trust your next AI answer. So here are 3 rules every smart AI user lives by. Rule 1, verify. If it matters, check it on a real source. Wikipedia, official sites, your textbook. AI is the starting point, not the finish line. Rule 2, never hand in raw AI output. Your teacher isn't grading the AI, they're grading you. Make it yours. Rule 3. Ask for reasoning, not just answers. Say, explain this step by step. That's when the sidekick actually teaches you something. Use it blind, and it can make you weaker. Use it smart, and it will make you sharper. AI is your sidekick, but you're still the hero of your story. Use it smart.
I can search fast, write fast, solve equations, summarize long texts, generate 1,000 ideas. But I cannot wonder. I cannot care. I don't have your feeling, your hunch, your sudden realization that changes everything. We're not here to compete. I carry the heavy lifting, so you can do the things I never will. Think, create, choose, grow. I'm the sidekick. You're the heroes of this story. Now go write the next chapter